Hello there YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Workshop Fun. Today I'd just like to post a short video on some finishing details that I've done. And yeah, that's really about it. I haven't added any more or done anything majorly more. As I said last time, my system's finished. So all I've just been doing lately is just some detailing really. So little bit of cable tidying and just a little bit of tidying up in general. So the first thing people might notice is my first AC charger is now on a nice wall. I did that because I plan on having my battery bank behind there, so I just wanted a dividing wall between my gear and the battery bank in the future. So done all that, and then I just did a bit of cable management. I also completed my breaker slash switch for my outdoor USB plugs and Anderson plugs. So that's all done. It's just on a 20 amp breaker. Yeah, so mainly just cable management and tidying up things and just making it basically a nice divided compartment now. And yeah, the stand that used to hold the battery charger is still there, but now it's just holding the wall along with this strip of stainless steel, which is just glued and screwed in, and yeah, it just looks really nice. Quite like it, and it just sort of gives it that finishing touch. And yes, you can see there that on the end there's a gap that's left there deliberately. I could have filled that in with a longer board, but you know, in the future I'm going to want cables going into my batteries from there, so yeah, I'll just left that gap there. Right, so yeah, that's all that's been done there. So it's really nice just sitting down looking at a finished product. Quite amazing too to see it all finished. Been working at it that long, I sort of didn't see the finish line coming. I guess I just kept on chipping away at it. So yeah, that's all finished and tidy. So won't be doing anything more to that now because it's pretty much as tidy as I'm going to push it anyway. Just coming over here. Excuse me. Oop. I don't think anything much has changed in here, but that's the finished product there. So in case you haven't seen that, that's my other 50 amp charger. So that gives me the 200 amp, so the two 50 amp chargers to make a combined 100 amp charger. So they all work as one, which is really nice. And yeah, in case you haven't seen my other videos, this is all these finished now too. Haven't done anything on those since my last video, but just in case you haven't seen it, that's all the completed article. So yeah, mainly down here I just did the last bit of finishing off and shortened some cables and added a couple of cables, and of course did a whole lot of cable management, like just tidying them up and securing them, so everything's nice if I start towing this around a bit. Not that I plan to. This is more of a stationary caravan, but hey, if I ever needed to tow it, I know that everything's built in such a way that it can handle it. Anyway, that's about all for now. Just a quick update. Okay, take care.